Hello, welcome back. We're going to run through how to get in a car if there's no power to it. So example, your battery's flat or something like that. It's going to be how to get into the standard door handles as well as the electric door handles. Let's jump into it. There are two things that you're going to need to get into the car. First one is the key. That's nice and self-explanatory. And the second one's a bit interesting, which is some sort of piece of plastic. In this situation, I'm opting for one of the Encore cards, but you can use a debit card or credit card. Anything like that will work perfectly well. And I'll show you what we're going to use this for in just a second. You want to come over to your car key and you're going to want to look for this section on the side, which you just simply push in, pull the key out like that, and that will expose your key blade. This is what you'll need to open up the car. So let's go jump into it right now. We're just going to tackle this part here now. So look for the little plastic part at the end of the driver's door handle. You're going to want to then place the end of the card in that gap, just like that. And then you're going to push this card towards the mirror. So you're going to pop that back. You'll feel it pop and it'll get a bit loose like that. That's then enough for you to get your fingers in it and pull it back, just like that. Now it does feel like it's going to break, so you need a bit of force with it. The way they've designed the clips is they are very strong, so don't feel like you're going to damage it. Just pull it straight back. That will then expose that keyhole, which you can then use your key blade straight in there, turn it like you'd unlock anything, and then you just pull this little lever that's located underneath the door handle straight out, and that's going to then open up that door. If your car's fitted with a traditional door handle, so it doesn't have the electric system, this is how you get into them. So you want to lift out your door handle, and you'll notice just underneath, down under here, that you'll have the key lock. Just simply angle the key up and turn it, and you'll be able to open the door. Super easy. I hope that video helped. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. I've got my email address in the description, so if you're interested in purchasing a car or you need any more help, I'm always happy to help. I'll speak to you soon.